Yeah, yeah. We go on so quick here. We go on so down quick enough. Around with the same bite now. Georgetown, Hopkins, Uganda, Balesi, Libertad, não sou loba Balesi, você tá no negócio. We go on, Charles.
Bitcoin ada, Bitcoin hong sung agabati, Bitcoin.
Yeah. So Charlemar, how was the weekend, man? How was the weekend before we dive into this thing here tonight?
By the rule, as usual, my weekends and they get busy now. They get busier now. That we get in stuff from America to donate to our people, no, in the Forgotten South, our people from the Forgotten South, and they have more of the dialysis machines that came in. So yeah, I'm really busy, but it was great. It was good.
Yes, that's good to know. Good to know with the hands of the Almighty power, the blessed way, everything we have to turn out good. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say to this the 23rd, 22nd, and the 23rd, please come out to San Ignacio, Santa Elena for the NGC convention. Right, it's a big convention. That's where we make our decision. The decision made. So it's a big one, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk about to the close of the show. All right. So I want to say, look, it's going to be something special. It's going to be something that you have to listen to. But let's not dive into the topic for tonight's show. Charlemar is a little bit, late, but
but not so fast because we want. I want to remind our people about that situation in Uganda. Just don't let it go like that. We need to step up. We need to put with pedal to the metal to demand what rightfully belong to us. Mabule da Hamika.
Yeah. Don't forget that. Yes, that is the 29th. And then this Saturday is in St. Bite. So St. Bite is having their consultation, the same land dispute, right? So that's the 16th. And then the end of month is going to be Hopkins, right? So please remember that. Okay. Salamar, what we want to talk about, right? And even me myself, like, confused sometimes. This is please feel free to chime in, ladies and gentlemen. It's a sticky topic, but that's what we do here at DIFA. We're not afraid to talk about things that happen within the family. Only so we could make it better. Only so we could shed some light on what's happening. And this has to do with these child molesters and abusers in the family, right? They have some grown men, especially men. Mostly, I don't say happen with females, but men who will finger up their picnic, right? They finger up their step picnic, they pick up picnic, right? They target the picnic. So females, our women, please be careful of this, all right? The family members, please make we stop the shelter them man. The man where they abuse up and the finger, I would call it finger, that's the word we would use. And that that destroys a female's life. It affects the female for life forever when these things happen, and we wonder why certain females behave a certain kind of way. No, please, mothers and fathers, listen to your kids. When the kids say, "Uncle, cousin, brother, touch me like this," right? Or carry me. Some people always at their house to play or bring gifts to your children. They don't bring gifts to you, but they bring gifts to your children. Please don't leave them alone with your children like that. Because Shalimar, it's been happening for ages in our community. And then we don't want, and a lot of times what happens is the child molesters, they're so slick. They don't come and tell you they were child molester. They're targeting your children. And the family is good at hiding them because a lot of times they're high profile. These are people that have very good jobs. These are smart people. These are people out here in the world that are teachers, that are police officers, that are professionals, that are bankers, that are doctors. These people are the ones that are molesting the child in the household, and people hide it because they don't want the person to lose their job. They forget about the pain. They forget about all the atrocities of that person, and the victim get re-victimized again and again and again. And that has to stop. I don't care what kind of job you got. You don't have no right to touch my picnic. You know? But I don't wish it on nobody, child man. But they know where weak friends stay. They know exactly where no weak friends stay because then I have never been to prison. I visited prison before. But trust me, guarantee I would go to prison for that, for shooting someone direct in the face or touching any one of my kids, boys or girls. I will walk up to them, Chalamar, and I'm gonna finish them off, you know why? Because that child will be finished as well. That's not what I would have done. All right, so to stop the shelter them man there, especially man. Sometimes the female believe I have to depend on the men for financial gain, you know. So they don't say nothing. So they let the children out there to suffer the pain. Men, I'm going to say more. Chalamar, we want to hear from our viewers as well what they think about this, right? Because this thing is common. And right now, you say the effect of this with our childhood, with people, these young ladies walking around here, trying to depend on men, showing off their bodies and stuff like that, giving up their bodies, selling their body. These are direct effects of that. They don't want to sell illegal and bad. The legal is not bad. The legal they act up. Now they're afraid for man. Now they're very defensive for man because of what they have endured, what they have experienced, this negative thing. They don't know joke, Charlie Mar. They don't know joke. But we have to talk about it because then it happens a lot in our families and we just cover it up to make it save one's job and the children suffer. Charlie Mar, let's say you.
My brother, I agree with you. But I'll tell you something. Grown man or men not doing anything yet. The only grown manures do anything yet. They don't have no class. They don't have no morals. Some of them don't even. They get to the point where they even molest their own for their own picnic.
Yes, sleep with their own picnic, true. True.
Okay. And they cowards as I call them. What do you think most of them do? After they don't sexually molest that child, they threaten that child, they threaten the mother, they threaten the family. So they're not only sexual immorality, but a threat where they actually condemn the family to its core. And I agree with you. I agree with you because I'm not the one, me. If I get to know that anyone of my when picnic, my picnic old, and even as old as she may be, I don't even want to think what I want to do because I know I want to do it. But
That's
it's neither here nor there. My thing is no. Females, when you listen to me carefully, one person who they threaten you, they're nothing but a coward. Think about the abuse, the psychological effect, the way will hamper your child or even you the rest of your natural life. You go to the law. You go to the law. You go to somebody who you could confide in and make them go to the law. Not take the law in your own hand as your mother if you got 2 or 3 children. Because you do things somebody else will have to mind you picnic for.
You know, what time molester Chalamara was a sick person, right? So let you know that one time they're sick, they prey on the young and the feeble. You know, they really are sick, you know, because they habitually do it over and over and over, and even if they go to jail, they come back from jail and they do the same thing. I think the people they're sick and they should get locked up forever. They should make them say they're sick. You can't change a child molester, child man. A child molester can't change because his mind is programmed for children. And he will hide that so good enough that nobody will believe, oh, me never know a teacher like that. Oh, me never know. And then we have allegedly again, right? We don't want to call no name, but a famous musician came back from abroad. And then we have to check some of the backgrounds come from abroad too, you know, because they do some heinous crimes. Not all of them. Right? We gotta check them and they come back And around here, we only hear rumors about all a man that was child molester, they just deport you for states. All a man that was another child molester, that one and then look how they look. And a lot of times they quiet wrong and so, right? But we don't know for sure. We don't know for sure. But be careful of them. So now we have to shelter our picnic. Know where picnic at all times. You want to communicate with the picnic. Or be open with the picnic. Listen to the picnic. Things like that. But picnic not lie. What child will never lie when he or she is being molested. They will come to you because they believe that you are there to protect them, not to re-victimize them again. We call them man a nasty man. They're a nasty man, man. They're worthless. And they have a few. They have a suspected few around here in Riga. They got someone run away from states. They got someone impregnate their own cousin, their own nieces and nephews. They impregnate them. But just like we're not a calm no name. But the minute the young lady, they go to the police station, we will calm you. Because then they'll be public now. Right? But we don't want to continue. So that's a part of the trend. They feel it's okay, they get away with it. They could pay off a liar, they could pay off a politician. Because they're a nasty man. They prey on the weak and the feeble. So, time on.
Well,
They're not regular person, they're not regular at all.
No.
Majority of the time, there are people who have a very good job, respectable, what we call respectable people who carry themselves. Then the child molester, right? Because we don't want to sit in a jail, right? But if it happens to your own kids, then you want to send them to jail. Just like a lot of things that happen, we need to identify these things and weed them out of our community. Because look, we can't allow no nasty man or child molesters on this earth, especially at Riga, right? But we're good at covering it. We hear I got a quote and bam, everything done. Why? Why, Chalama?
Well, you see, I again, you said something very important earlier. That they kind of dirty dog, they don't want change.
Can't change them.
2 reasons why they don't want change. One, that because they get away with it, again, caused by threat and all kinds of nonsense when they do to the family or to the child. They get away with it. 2, they get caught, they get charged, they lock them down, they spend some time and they come back with shame, and that's all they have. They have nothing else but shame. So they're going back to do the same thing again. Because they think they could get away with it until they get caught again. But again, like I said, my people, keep a close eye on your daughter, your sister, your cousin, even maybe your mom. Because some men don't know what they don't understand no. You know, woman say no that no. They force themselves on it. Women, think about how when you go for Thirsty Thursday, that who you drink with, how you could control your liquor. Because the only then some man take advantage of women as well. So it only apply to your daughter or your granddaughter. It could apply to you too. Because they could either call them worthless man or nasty man. They don't got no shame. Mabu cigarette in there go, oh, fair do. Mabu cigarette. They don't care about nobody. They don't care about nothing. They're selfish. once they satisfy for their needs, they don't care about you anymore. So if that is not if because I know that that is the case. When they behave around you, or you even one man who could figure out that that person or that manure there that somebody who want to that, put a close eye on her. Because if I see one like that around me and I say make one move, I want to put some hand on something, we have to start protect for the females thing. Because it could hit home.
Certainly,
It could hit home.
they nasty man, they were like prey upon illegally. You could say like if you're not sitting with a big woman, that's a big sign. If you sit around schools, that's a big sign. If you always sleeping in a vehicle, that's a good sign. And it's unbelievable to know that you don't think people will do that, right? But they're sick, sanity, they're sick in the head to make them target young people like that. And I don't know who in their right mind as a mother would would not believe they pick me when they pick me say somebody they touch say this kind of way and somebody they fingering. Um and guess what? When that child get old, because that child don't want to stay young forever. Now you the one will target if you never been to listen to them. Now you the one blame. That's just how the mind work. And no matter what you do, you don't too late already for make you try to do something when a child turns. Not a child again, it's an adult. The time for making me respond, done gone already. Done gone already. So people understand the way how female behave, and they look, they like come round to child marriage. I remember coming up nasty because everybody was know what I was nasty man. Nasty man I come to your house and give the older person in your house some gifts, you know. I smile, I said coming up. And again, it's so slick, it's still around the old lady, right? But now the old lady what no? You know what the old lady at all? He don't watch one illegal around there. He always slip a leave $5 there. $5 back then a lot of money. A lot of money for the illegal. The illegal go to school now, they thinking a big woman, right? Can a man come and coax the illegally, just with money and charm me, right? So illegal, I go see it like they days now they step up their game. Now what happened? Why most common thing now child marry phone. Once you see with a high tech phone, again the parents supposed to pay attention. Your child, what 12-year or 13-year old come home with an iPhone 17 Pro, something like you know how much you want a phone. Something you have to question anything there. If you never buy it for or your pa never buy it for, then clear that back when I come from. You don't need no iPhone 17 right now. Where you do with that when this place that was small place, right? You supposed to study your ABCs. You don't got no time for no phone, right? I got boys, Shalimar. I could tell you, my boys don't have no phone. So 2026, on the oldest one got phone. The rest no phone. TV, we don't watch TV during the week. For the weekend, I watch TV. Kind of think a distraction. Watch one, study on a child. Even in the Facebook right now. That's why we don't even have. It's 18 and above our friends on Facebook. Below that, no, you can't friend me. You can't say you could try send me a friend request. Even with that, check on the Facebook if you don't got Facebook for them. But I just believe they're not supposed to have no Facebook, no Instagram, none of anything. But they'll find excuse to what I want to give them, right? You want something good, you want to look good. Oh, this is 2026. Okay, 2026. Give them in, make them go meet up somewhere that's in the grass or somewhere in the valley there, but our finger on the picnic. We don't want that. That is not what we want. Taliban.
Why? I listen to you and my mind they go. But one of the reality of things, some stepfathers, you have to watch me. I remember one incident where a young lady come and he tell me, say, I tired, I tell my mom, and every time I tell my mom, she beat me.
Wow, wow, that happens.
And I confronted the mother. And I tell her, I say, you know what? I ain't in your business now because that's something serious. And if you beat up your daughter for tell you something, then you need to look and you need to check yourself. And then the mother turn around and tell me, well, what you want I do when I only hit the work and I hit the feed with.
Why?
So I tell her, well, so what happened when your daughter run away or when your daughter get offended and she leave? Now you don't have no relationship with your daughter because you choose to live your life with a sex offender, because that's who he is. And I tell her you could go back and tell her I say so. You could go back and tell her I say so. Because then at the end of the day, I personally going to talk with one policeman. And this thing will happen at Bemapan. And the coward pick up himself again, so never come back because I send her a strong message too. I tell her this world, they say it wrong, but we got four corners and just not slip up and get in at one of mine. It gone. But then the damage has already been done. Because even with that child I have that respect for him anymore. And it could go deeper than that, way beyond that. It could cause that child now to not have no trust in any man at all and choose a different lifestyle because it was forced upon her. So at the saddest idea, to make it known to the mothers, if you want to pick up a hoyolong, put a close eye on her. If you pick up a hoyolong and you got a daughter or many daughters, put a close eye on her. Because it might come like St. Peter and the bitch of devil. So again, real men not do anything there, or real man not do anything there. The only manures do it. And you're right. I ride around Gangriga anywhere I go. As long as I know that, I know that, you know. I know that. Because Agama didn't have a kate, I meet her a lobe, eat her. Or eat her a bobe. If they're not so, they're nearly so.
And
So,
a lot of time, that's so. But
yeah,
we don't
so
know
we have to be the watchful eyes for the females in the
we don't know how to deal with it. I try make sense out of the nonsense of how it's been dealt with for the past decades and decades. We just don't know how to deal with it because then the woman, we don't know what they think, child, how they feel, right? Like, it's crazy, but why? You know why? What is going on in mind? They must feel okay. They're not. They must they think that they're not true. They want to make it not be true, right?
Mhm.
I must just the picking. They must make up the story. Maybe the picking not like the stepfather, but it's maybe knowing quite well that the man don't touch your daughter already. So you have to make a sacrifice. You need to make a sacrifice, and the community have to support. Because sometimes the community not able to support the female when they go through these things. So we have to support. We have to have a support mechanism in place so that when these ladies, primarily these ladies, get caught up where the man they molest their children, habitual molester, the female feel trapped. How do we help? So now we as a community has a responsibility as well to help the lady who will go through this with a man. We have to help child Marcus sometimes. I mean, we don't know what a person they go through. We don't know how to deal with it. But I think as you say in the week, Charlie Mar, I made a post, or we put a post up about doctors, right? To big up the doctors in our community. And you say, I can't stop doctors right now. Like everybody have a doctor. All right, so now with that information, then we could pull that information. We don't get information who the doctor, who the not doctor, right? And we could help ourselves. The answer is right within our culture, right in our country. You know how much girlfriend of doctors we have, Chalmar? I can't stop count now. And the last time where I reached was 80 yard, 84,
Mhm.
about 3 hours ago. And more to come in because one they said it's a Dr. Ramirez, Dr. Lucas, Dr. Flores, Dr. Enriquez. I could list them now. You know, look, and those are the ones, and they keep bringing doctors now. So we have the resources. That is our point. The next one will be engineers. List the girlfriend engineers. The next one will be list the girlfriend mechanic. They will put that together. So when we need doctors at a symposium, we could call out to these doctors not only to make we pick them up, but for them to help to continue to help our own communities. That's why we have the doctor. That's why we send them to school. That's why we support them to go to school. We to come back and help your communities, not just for the big up. We big you up because we appreciate you, but now we
Mhm.
got to take it to another step to help the mothers, help the communities in situations like these where children are being abused in the household by a parent or by a family member and stop the sheltering people there.
You are so right, Ida. I mean, we have answers for everything, but yet the things where they're right in front of our very eyes, we can't see it for make we say something. It's sad. It is sad. But again, this show that for make we have awareness of these things that are happening around us that is affecting our children, our grandchildren, our great grandchildren. Then you start to wonder why, because it's an only female uh, in Belmopan a week ago or maybe two, one minute or two and then gang a drink and next thing one look to pop pop the man cherries. But it's not a laughing matter. But these things happen on both sides and both sides of the fence. And we have to call them out when we see it because then like I said, when it hit home, there was something we don't know how many of those kids or people who are walking with mental issues. We don't know what's going on with them. That could be a factor. We don't know. And worse the female. I you know, I don't even want to say. I think it was today or yesterday, without saying where I saw this happen. But this young lady made a push for a baby in our prom. And I said, wow, like this person no 100 at all. Well, the response I got was, oh yeah, somebody may rape him.
Wow. See? See? See?
Now it pushed this baby in our prom, in at the middle of the street with traffic. I never that today that thing may happen. And I said, wow, in my mind. You see how somebody get damaged like that? Now that innocent child in our prom with one mother who they suffer from mental issues. And the idiot who raped her, they walk around and probably they rape somebody else picnic. Because he think that he got away with this one. My people, think about it. Don't make it happen to your daughter, your granddaughter, or even you yourself, but make it focus on a child. One female, because a hormone, you could see the difference in a body. If you throw a close eye on your daughter as one mother, one grandmother, you will know something gone wrong. So I did throw that out there so that mothers and grandmothers could realize that, you know what, we know too, because I hear some man new would I say, watch how she walk. You hear somebody, oh, somebody don't gone there already. You hear that, you look up in me. If I hear that, or they come out of one manure mouth, I want break some.
It common. It common. And that's why I brought up this show tonight. Because these are real issues that happen in our community. You're absolutely right, Charlie, man. Man said, why check out, should smell yourself now? Why should they come through the hole now? You know, and I know why the picnic want to come through that hole. Well, something wrong at home. Something illegal don't get touched home.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And to the act out. And no matter how the mother the mothers go through a lot. Trust me. The mothers the fathers are missing out of the household. So that too is something we have to talk about in the future. In the very near future. Because the woman that they take a lick and the little girls that get taken a bigger lick.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The man the lick then legal. And it's too late when the mother the last time I walked by the back road I see the mother the pull this legal here. They box up this legal because apparently legal gonna sleep out. This legal maybe about 15. This legal always get up one day and sleep out. A lot of time this thing start for home. She been sleep home for 15 years. So all of a sudden they start to sleep out. Because somebody touch a legal for out of the family. Why you think even when it comes to the kind of domestic crimes that the family they arrest first, that the husband they arrest first, more than likely it's connected to him. That's why I do that they know where they go on. So you're absolutely right, Chalama. These young ladies are acting out because they're fingerly. I use that word finger because everybody could associate with that. Right, so let's go to our viewers because viewers are now down for over 42, almost 42 minutes. I want to read in the comments and I thank you all for being a part of this conversation tonight. Because we talk about making a stop shelter child molesters and abusers in the family. Because I want to change your picnic forever and forever. All right. All right. Good night, Salome Gutierrez from PG. He said good night.
Way to go, yo.
Ozzy SKM Record Smith. He said good night. Good night, Ozzy. Then S and Sharpets. Good night from Santa Elena, Cayo. I think big up yourself this week, next weekend. We're coming down there next weekend for the convention. Don't worry. We're gonna be at the after bash too with Vida and the whole crew. All right. Then Sanjay Nicholas is saying she's saying good night from Punta Gorda. We have a lot of fans in Punta Gorda here, Charlie Martin. Want to pick them up too.
Yes.
Look
Way
like
to go, yo.
Punta Gorda is like Punta Gorda again. We have Gilberto Ak. Thank you, Gilberto Ak from Punta Gorda. Paulita Nunes. Gilberto Ak again and Paul Maximo from Los Angeles, California. He's saying good night. And then this one. Eugene Sanchez from PG. Look at PG taking over the show tonight, man. Where's our Griga people tonight? But PG, nice showing. He's saying, Eugene Sanchez saying, pedophiles have money, which is the necessity to our youth, male or female love. Parents or guardians must sincerely play their role during the upbringing of their children. Child or children, sir, man. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Odelis Morales, thank you very much. Again, we're going to read your comments out, ladies and gentlemen. Shelly Mariano, she's saying good night. Good night, Shelly, from
Way to
Atlanta.
go.
And Portolo Mariano from Atlanta. Big up on yourself right now. Let's keep it locked all the time. And we appreciate that. All right? Now, Salmar, what do you think should happen to a pedophile, or we call him a nasty man for fun life in the house? What do we think?
All right. I know I advocate violence, but if I have to go there, I will. But at the end of the day, though, I want to throw this for the judicial system. Because some of the same pedophiles, like you said earlier, they got one good job, they might have one job, they go afford one attorney, and they walk away. Technicalities. But I would have want that if they find a son of a gun guilty, they got a few back on the mother right now where they spend a lot of years. I read for them regarding too. 80 years, 70 years. Well, if you are spend that long, I castrate you too. Because you might go rape somebody back at the mother too. You want to find one shame. Or maybe somebody else want to get back to you. But spend some time. Give them 100 years if they have to. I don't want to hear about no, oh, well, the cerebral cortex, no, you know, I don't want to hear none of that because that's when they left behind. For somebody else's daughter or even some other female. That's when they left behind, then destroy somebody's life. So you need to be destroyed as well. You can tell me that we are getting a psychiatrist or a psychologist will deal with that. We might not even have one of them for other care. But again, make them pay dearly for their heinous crimes, them, my brother. Make them pay dearly for it. Because that seemed to me that even if they have for their own picnic, they don't okay because they themselves probably molest for their own child. They not just wake up one morning and say, I'm gonna rape I'm gonna rape a Charlie Mar lady or Charlie Mar daughter. Maybe, but the intention is there to cause harm to that mental harm to that child mentally, and because of that, make it take one licking, and make it take one good licking too. So again, awareness starts at home with the mother, or even the father, because even it might not be at home. It could be your neighbor. It could be your best friend who you invite to your house. We have to be careful. We have to be careful who we bring in our house. Not everybody, but if like I say, if you hear about somebody, throw a close eye because they've gonna show that nearly so.
You say how we like mind people business, huh? Right? For the wrong things. We're always in our people business, right? For the wrong things. I think this is the right thing for in a people business for when they man about, right? They pull up on a legal and they talk about it. And sometimes, I mean, it's open, but sometimes you could tell. You never can, oh, boy, I don't do this here already. Boy, I don't do this already. Stop, boy. They don't even get the people thinking it's time to grow. And they're still a picnic because they can't make, 18 yet, they can't make decisions for themselves. They can't make proper decisions. But again, the picnic, they run the household anyways. So they left the picnic and the mom, just as young as the daughter. But we're not going there with that one day. I will take that one day back. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Right? That slip out because then I'm thinking solution wise. But it's not about again re-victimizing the victim. The victim is in that position because of a man most of the time. We come and try to destroy these young ladies' lives. And I could tell you I've seen it around. And you witness it, child, you witness the effects, the consequences of what happened to a child that had been molested. Their mind just flipped. Their mind flipped. And their mind is so soft and they're so vulnerable. You're not strong. So you have to flip. You can't encourage them to be, there's a child. They don't know how to deal with a situation like that. They've been abused. They've been taken advantage of. They've been disrespected.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know me. I know I dip on this show and I know I throw one little bit of gasoline. I want to throw gasoline. Because again, I don't call them out. I don't call out your neighbors. I don't call out your friends. I don't call out your relatives. I don't call out your Kamala husband or your husband. I don't call anyone out. They know who they are. I don't. So try not to call them. Trust me. Anyway, I know where. How about then? How about teachers? You have to be careful too. That's not all, because you have to throw hype on some teachers. You have to throw hype on somebody when they call themselves reverends and pastors and father. Because it happened. It happened. It has happened before, and it continued to happen. So then make sure that you know when your daughter go to church.
Yeah, that's our common place. In that
Make sure that when your
have a
daughter
woman, you know what have no woman.
and your daughter and your son go to church, and your daughter and your son go to school, because they got a thing where they also have a thing where they call sexual harassment on a job. Because you got somebody where want to sexually harass your wife or your daughter for promotion or for any other reason. Hence the reason why they say put a close eye on your loved one. Because I know everybody love her like you. That are the bottom line. I know everybody love her like you. Some they out there for hurt and for hurt you. Because when your picnic get hurt, definitely you are hurt too. Unless it's you know an idiot.
Yeah.
Or that you send your daughter for or your daughter or your son for get molested. Because you got parents who do that too. They pimp them picnic.
Yeah, they want the extreme though, Charlie, man. They want the extreme it to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, well, you know how I do it. I balance the scale. I don't just want to throw I don't want to throw thing out there like that just for anybody. I want to throw it for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Because your son and your daughter become my responsibility because you are my family. And I don't want you get hurt through your child. Likewise, I don't want my neighbor think the same way about me and my wife or my picnic. Because I want to make sure I want to look over across the fence over my neighbor and make sure that all is well.
Yeah. You know, Chalimar,
Be your brother's keeper.
I want to give a big clue again. Since it just flashed, sorry about that. Since it just flashing on my mind, right? About because a lot of people been getting deported, right? And in the midst of those deportation, you have those that are child molesters, right? In the midst of those, you know, I hear about some heinous crime, like when it comes to bloodshed, but psychologically, it is a heinous crime. So you have to look out for that, especially the ones that have been deported. Not all of them. The ones that have been deported that are child molesters, be careful. It's not cute. Protect your children because when you get older, they will be healthy enough to protect you. But if they alter their mindset and you never made them protect them, then you are out there in the heat or the cold. And people will take it from you over and over and over again. And nobody will be there to protect you. If you want a shield, polish your shield now. The children are your shield. Right? Love them and take good care of them. With that, Chalmar, um, I know you're going to do the closing, but before I do the closing, no Chalmar, I want to make a few announcements. All right? But yeah, 23rd, 22nd and the 23rd of this month, NGC convention, Saturday, this Saturday, we're going to see invite the consultation, the land because you know they want to take the land. See invite is under threat as well from Placencia. Carolina, they want to call Placencia, they want to call see invite North Placencia, right? So it's a big issue, ladies and gentlemen. Our identity and our territory. Big, big, very big. So, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'll leave it to Chalamar to close the show off or to whatever announcement you want to make to Chalamar. Feel free. It's our platform. Again, protect your children. Don't make nobody think about children. Believe your children. When the children is a cousin will just come for original or we live down in the village to come spend the weekend. Every weekend, la base de ya dangiga, la base de muma. Mubi. La nige free to guy. He up to no good. He up to no good. Protect your children. Stop sheltering child molesters and abusers in the family. It's not good. It's not healthy. All right. With that said, I gotta say, we go yo. Chalamar.
Thanks for having me tonight. I was stray away a little bit and things that I want to share with our people as well. The 29th, Hopkins. This is for we people name. Garino. Lihedua a sufferer. We have been suffering for too long. We have lost a lot of things, including our lands. One of the things that come to mind. Again, I want to repeat it. All of Carib Reserve area has been de-reserved. Now we don't have nothing. When anybody goes to any one of these land departments and they ask for a piece of land, it seemed to me as if the lease process no longer exists. But yet they will tell you, oh, no land no there. They will tell you no land no there. And I don't want to knock any one of the agents who they out there to sell their land. But if they don't got no land, how the agents they get all their land there and tell you, oh, they're reasonable prices. You can't even get one pound lease. And you poor, that Dangriga. The experts then they take over Hopkins. Then they don't take over St. Bite and Placencia. The Placencia that by himself, to me. And yet we do nothing. And then the minister himself will tell you, oh, well, your land available the Mullins River for $3,500 a month. Land available at West Hopkins Way in Carl Silver. All of a sudden, land available at Freshwater Creek, where I'm a push road for pond years ago, and they can't me 50 acres of land. But yet then they sell land there. But you can't get one piece of land. There's no land, according to them, but then land there for sale. Come on, people, step up. Sarahum, they land there. Most of the land where they talk about were deemed Carib Reserve. Why? Because there are no people that used to work in the land there. Now, they want to take away where belong to Garino with the Hopkins. If you can't get one bus, we got vehicles. If you love your people, carry 1, 3, 4, or maybe 5, put money together and put full up the tank. Or work together, Garifna the world, work together, get one bus, or maybe 2 buses, for go demonstrate peacefully. The Hopkins do the same thing that Saint Mike. No wait till they do the Hopkins and Saint Mike like when they do Dangriga. We don't need to get up, man. Make we get up and do that. We, as I say, we die for. On my part, I solicit things for we people in medical supplies. And I know the braggadocious type of person. I know what we people in need because the government they say, oh, we got a lot of stuff. You don't need for donate nothing to the hospitals thing. Because we got a lot of stuff, yet people they complain, oh, but the only thing they get that Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol. I go over and be online okay because I want to do things for we people. Should die for. Make we start try help yourself, man. Make we try start help yourself. When we don't want just to wait for somebody give you thing. And then big up people who they give you thing. Make we do. God help those who help themselves. Thanks to the ones and thanks to donors who they help people. That's fine. But find something permanent where they could do, where we could do. We want to be helpful to the children. As far as health is concerned, where medical issues is concerned. I hear people that they text me and talk about they need blood, no money, no day. Donors. Now with the buy blood. Come on. Make we work together, man. Make we work together. So make I get back on track now. Again, look out for your brother and your sister. Be your brothers and sisters' keeper. Make we look out for one another. Because we live in a corrupted world, these things will continue. We are living in perilous times. Where we go through right now will be nothing comparison to what will happen to we children them and we children's children them if we don't throw a close eye on them to protect them. If we left we picking them for pedophiles and they run, they get crazy, that's another issue because we don't have no mental institution here in Belize. If we have psychologists or psychiatrists, we don't have enough now to deal with the issue. So we don't even want to go to that point where our loved ones will have to get mental care. Make we start do that for home. Make we start take care of our children. If we don't see something, say something. Not afraid because those cowards, just like how they coward, they want to put cowardness in the minds of your child or even you yourself. They're afraid because they're afraid for going to jail. Or they're afraid because they're afraid somebody in the family will know and they will off their lights or do their thing. They're nothing but cowards. So my people, think about what we just shared tonight. No harm intended. But if you know a pedophile and you watch this show, get your act together, and you could get bent out of shape all you want. But try bringing strong Charlie Marcy. Well, we have figured something out. Me and you. Trust me. So with that, I want to say, oh, by the way, I want to say thanks to Dr. Valentine there at the Love Medical Clinic in Silgrass.
One Love Medical Clinic.
Yeah, One Love. Very instrumental in helping our people. I love that. And we're doing as much as we can for them. I want to thank the donors from Orlando, Florida, who's giving us medical supplies and other equipment. I want to thank them. And I also want to thank Belizean Queen for being there for and with us, especially with me. When they work with me good. And I appreciate that because I wanted they're helping us for our people as well. They're helping us with Silvergrass, Independence, and Punta Gorda Town Hospital. So we go forward. With that being said, I want to say good night to everybody. Don't forget that each one is going to teach one. But don't you also forget that each one must reach one, that we can love one another. Even more now during this nonsensical period of life. Buitu buyo hon sun agaba hati. Aba isen.
Aba isen Chalamar, thanks again for your commentary. Nuduhe out igwele, lama na neba ega. Friday, no musu eifi. Almost fumas.
Eat well. Beba ega namule.
Hi Chalamar. Ayo.
Don't go away. Marbriga. Ayo.